Hi there. I'm going to talk to you today about CB passive income. Imagine if you didn't need to write or produce any unique content. You didn't need to create any products to sell. You didn't need to write up any sales letters, and you didn't need to provide any customer service or follow-up support. But instead, you could just focus on one simple task and create a passive income. The author of this, Patrick Chan, has also spoken to audiences in 11 countries and has authored several books on similar subjects. In one of his books, he co-authored it with the brilliant Robert G. Allen, the New York Times best-selling author. Click the link below. He's amazing.